So if most of y'all don't know, I come from Texas, right? And I really miss the brisket. Because in Texas, we have really good brisket, and usually places up north, like where I'm at, Washington State, it's more like, oh, she wants to get in front of the camera. Okay, cool. It's more like East Coast barbecue up here. Like everything's lathered with barbecue sauce, and it's like pulled porks and stuff like that. I just want to make a normal Texas style brisket. We got Lady Bird this hat. She doesn't wear it. Yeah, let's see if it looks good on you. She doesn't like it. Got brisket, $31. Not bad. Yeah. It's not bad.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day been?
Long.
Long?
Very long.
Just kind of slow?
Yeah, I mean, the day started out, the computers didn't boot up, and then I scraped my brand new tattoo across the bottom of the shelf, and that pissed me off, and so I just chain smoking cigarettes. Like, I don't think it fucked it up too bad, so that's good.
That looks good.
So, what I've got here is just a regular choice chuck beef brisket. You want to find something that has like a thick end right here. And then this is the lean area right here. But this is where the money is right here. So usually you'd probably want to cook this guy fat side up, but I'm going to cook it fat side down because my smoker has... And if y'all are wondering what my setup is like here in the kitchen when I'm filming, it's kind of a mess right now, but here. So these are the lights I use. They're LEDs, so I can adjust the coolness and the warmth, and I could just film any time of day. This is the camera that I'm using right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, and I'm gonna talk to you guys on here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so just got back from the store, and we've got this nice brisket here. I just got it at Cash and Carry for like 30 bucks. How much pounds is this here? This is $2.69 a pound at a deal. Okay. Some people were asking me about Wagyu brisket. I've never had it. That'd be really cool to try out though. Smoked black peppercorn. Kosher salt. Always kosher salt. So all I'm gonna do on this is salt and pepper. That's all it is. That's it. Salt and pepper. Fat side down. The reason why I'm keeping this fat side down and not up is because I want that fat to basically insulate the meat, since all of my heat is coming from the bottom, not the top. As you can tell, it's also pretty much sunset. I'm starting this kind of right before bed, so when I wake up, it's already good to go. Here's my little hibachi. I grilled something up last night, so it's just left on the steps here. I love this little thing. These things are pretty fun too, these little Traegers. I don't mind it. Currently filming a TikTok, and I've got this broken marble board set up so I don't damage my wood table with the water. So pissed at this. So yeah, my favorite marble board just took a tumble on the floor, and this is what we're left with. So this is a pure example of just using what you got, you know? All right, as you can see, it's dark. Let's check up on this. So you see we're getting a nice bark there. Brush it with my mixture here so I can keep it nice and moist. Make a nice bark on there. Close that up. Close that up and then head to bed and let that keep cooking. got going on here is it's been going pretty much all night while I was asleep. And as you can see, it's got a really nice bark. It's got a gorgeous color going on. And I've got this mixture of Shiner beer, some oil, rice wine vinegar, and mesquite peppercorn rub. I'm just gonna let this go until it reaches a temp of about 200 degrees internal. Once it reaches that, we're just gonna wrap it in paper. Also, it's been like 2 months since I moved here and totally not used to living in a house. I've never lived in a house all my life. And I guess I need to get a lawnmower, but check out the grass. You can see it's like this weedy looking grass. It's nothing nice. But the neighbor next door to me, he's this really awesome older Russian man. He just comes and mows it for me without even asking. Like, he asked me the first time if he can mow it, and I told him of course, like I would pay him and everything, and he didn't accept anything. I gave him some new like cooking ware that I had in the box, and he took it. But he just comes and mows it like whenever he wants now, and I don't know, I feel kind of bad. I think I need to get a lawnmower. For those that wonder what kind of coffee I drink, I always drink Vivace. I'm currently just drinking it like an Americano. It is, but damn, it's delicious. Like, so this is the only coffee that I drink every day. It comes from Seattle. There's a spot called Espresso Vivace. They have 3 locations there. They're not paying me to say this or anything. I just really love their stuff. Little known fact, the owner, David, he's actually the one that made latte art. Like, you know those little leaves you see on your coffee, rosettas they call them? Latte art. He's the one that made that a popular thing. It's pretty cool. Anyways, the coffee's freaking amazing. If you're ever in Seattle, go check it out. Just order their beans too. Espresso Vivace, good. That's her favorite spot. I don't know why. She has a bed and everything, and she just loves to lay by the door. Also, this company called Samura, they just sent me this knife called Reptile. It's really fun looking. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna use it. Actually, I'm not gonna use it, but if you guys want me to do a giveaway on this thing, I don't know, let me know. Just comment down below, and I'll think about doing a giveaway. I'll probably just give away this knife on this YouTube channel or my Instagram, either way. Comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway on this knife, and yeah, I'll do a video on it. So while that's going, I'm gonna just play some GTA. I've been kind of addicted to it lately. Look at that, it's like a little present. All right, y'all, so here's a little brisket update. I just pulled it out of the smoker. Pull it out once it reaches about 180 Fahrenheit in the thickest part. And then we're gonna wrap it in some parchment paper like this, then toss it back into the smoker until it cooks to about 200 Fahrenheit. But as you can see, we got a nice bark going on there. And the reason why you wrap it in parchment is because you don't wanna ruin the bark. And also, the stuff I'm basting it with is just a mixture of... Also, I'm just basting it with some of this Shiner prickly pear, a little bit of canola oil, a little bit of rice wine vinegar. And some of this mesquite peppercorn rub from my buddy Derek. The reason why I baste it is so it doesn't dry out. We also build nice bark, nice flavor. This is how the Salt Lick in Texas does it. If you don't know Salt Lick, really famous barbecue spot. They're the only ones with the open pit barbecue there. My old buddy from culinary school, old culinary school classmate, Craig, he was the exec chef there for a while. And the barbecue there is just ridiculous. So as you can see, the bark is amazing on this. We're gonna wrap this in parchment, Toss it back in until it reaches about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to make Texas style barbecue sauce. Cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of ketchup, couple tablespoons of Worcestershire, rice wine vinegar, garlic powder, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, black pepper, guajillo. Mix. Put down a little bit of brisket there, Flakey Salt. God, it looks so juicy. Damn, that's so freaking good. This is what it normally looks like. The pickled jalapenos, brisket, some of your sissy barbecue sauce, of course that white bread. Make yourself a little sandwich like that. A little dip in that barbecue sauce. There we go. Money. Thank you so much for watching the cooking vlog. Subscribe and hit that bell if you're new here. Stay tuned because I am going to do that knife giveaway. Comment down below what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.